Hola, ¿cómo está? Hi. You like it? This is your room right here. Look at your pink wall right here.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, I do. Disney Plus. And the home. I want to.
Are in the house and I
I
am
think she's in school.
checking out the room. It looks so good. They only did one coat on these walls, so like you can kind of still see the drywall through it. Wow, my hair is really crazy right now. You can kind of still see like the drywall through it, but it looks so beautiful. The color looks a lot darker in person, but I like that it has really good lighting in the room so far. So these are the floors. It looks so good. And I did the edging of the tub right there. Restroom. The paint looks so good. I love it. They haven't finished here, but you can see like it's a very light gray color. The house, and I just came to check on the paint. I'm so excited. The paint is done. Don't mind me looking a hot mess. This has been a whirlwind, you guys. I have to let you guys know all about it if you want to hear everything we've been going through while this house has been getting ready. Is this? Okay, anyways, I'll have to see about that. That's probably gonna come up on the home inspection. Anyways, so the house looks so good. I'm so excited about the colors, and the floor looks amazing. On November 5th, they're going to be doing the cabinets, and then it's countertops and all that, so it'll start coming together pretty soon. Here's what the peachy color looks like, and we have the, it's supposed to be a gray color, but it looks really beige for some reason, so I had him, they haven't finished both coats, but he's going to, is what he told me, so he's gonna make it more of the other color that's everywhere else, but it looks really good so far. And I'm actually going to be having this wall extended over this way after closing, because just the builder was going to charge like over $500 for just this little piece, and I was like, I know I can have that done way cheaper, so as funny as it looks, I'm just going to have that done after closing, and then it'll be all like that to match. But this is what it looks like with the grout on the floors. It looks so good. And they haven't finished this wall here because they're gonna install the cabinets, and then they'll finish off whatever's left right there. It's so dark in here. Good gosh. Trying to get a good picture for the lighting. But yes. Looks so good. Oh, Maddie! Maddie! Come on. fireplace is finally done. They still have to stain this, which I'm gonna do like a gray stain on both of these pieces here. This is what it looks like from the kitchen. I think I wanna paint it like a more ivory color whenever we move in finally, but looks okay, I guess, for now. They're getting ready to do the concrete. They also fixed the island center now, so that is good. Hi, Puppy! Say hi, Puppy!
That's what we got told Dad.